Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hi, I am again. I teach real everyday English in simple and funny ways. Let's learn together. So, here, daily conversation part 3 using idioms with their meanings. So, let's get in. The scene is two co workers chatting during a coffee break. The A person says, "You look tired. Rough morning." The B person replied, "Yeah, I totally woke up on the wrong side of the bed." So here the idiom used woke up on the wrong side of the bed. This means in a bad mood. The A person says again, "Same here, I spilled coffee on my shirt." Talk about a bad start. So here the idiom used bad start. This means a rough beginning of the day. The B person replied, "Let's just power through and hope the day gets better." So the idiom used here is power through, which means keep going even when it's hard. So the idiom used in this conversation, this is very simple and very short conversation. And the idioms used in these conversations are woke up on the wrong side of the bed. The second one, bad start. The third one, power through. The fourth one, take the edge off. Thank you. Subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, like, share, and comment. Allah Hafiz.